Okay, but why are these so adorable? These are the Easter yard signs, and they surprise me in like the absolute best way. They're colorful, they're metal, and they're so much sturdier than that flimsy cardboard yard stuff. Here is the pink one, and that one is really the biggest and the blue. I didn't put this one in here so I could show you how easy it is to assemble. See the back there? All you do is put the base into it, literally 2 seconds, and you're good to go. They are very nice, and the metal construction feels solid and not like a one season use and toss kind of thing. And I like the different sizes. I only put these in here to show how they stand up so easily. I'm going to use them a little differently, but I like the different sizes. You could stagger them on a walkway or in a flowered bed. What I like about these, quick and easy assembly, the tallest bunny, the pink one, and the blue comes in just right about the same size, a little under 21 inches. And they're gonna hold up well in rain, when sprinkles, because they are out of metal, which is really nice. So easy to lay flat for storage. So if you want your yard to look a little festive without going full inflatable bunny, these hit that sweet spot. So cute, simple, cheerful, colorful, without being over the top. Highly recommend.